Hey everyone, Melissa here and welcome back to my channel again. Gone from not much content to quite a lot just over the last day. But what I'm showing you today is my How to Kill a Kit with Style for August. Now I'm going to do something I wouldn't normally do. You know that I am a subscriber to the Hip Kit Club and I don't normally use current kits as a how to kill a kit with style, but I'm going to make an exception because I'm behind with my hip kits and I thought I could kill two birds with one stone and use this kit and then get it killed. Well, although I don't expect to kill it, and I'll tell you why in a sec. But anyway, if I use this kit for the series, I'm only working with this product in terms of kits for August, and that should enable me to create a lot more and get this used up. So this is the June hip kit. I got the main kit, the paper add-on, the embellishment kit and the pocket life kit, and the reasoning for that is because I wanted as much of the Pink Fresh Let's Stay Home collection as possible, and so the majority of this kit is that collection, but I'm going to take you through it anyway so you can see what I will be working with. And I was going to say the reason I'm so behind is because I worked so much in July that I barely had any time to create, so this will hopefully enable me to play catch up. So, like I said, this kit has the Let's Stay Home collection, so I'll just take you through the papers. You've probably seen, most of these papers anyway, but I'll show you. So, the beautiful, beautiful papers from Pink Fresh. I just love Pink Fresh Studio. Definitely one of my favourite manufacturers. Now this kit is, it is a kit, collection and kit, is based on documenting your memories during this current pandemic, but I know there's so many things you could create with this that is not related to that, so don't be afraid to scrap older photos, or if you're here in New Zealand, where we've eliminated COVID except at the border, so we've got people in quarantine that still have it, but yeah, you could definitely document the current times. This actually, I should have said, this is the stamp market, and I'm wondering if this is more of the Miss Modern collection. I'm not actually sure, but if you look up Hip Kit for June, you can have a look. So it's beautiful, goes really well with the Pink Fresh collection. Look how gorgeous that is. It makes me think of makeup, which I hardly use, but it does. My girls like makeup. Tiny little labels, absolutely beautiful. And this one, which I saw Lauren Hender do, use this for a full background. I may even lift her on that. So what have we got here? Yeah, back to the B side. Oh, there it is. So I get the paper add-on, which pretty much is always another set of the paper, and that enables me to use papers as backgrounds and not feel like I'm really limited in what I can create. So let's get on to the embellishments. There is a little packet of exclusive mix of sequins. I'm just going to show you like this. Oh, I don't really need to show you. Obviously they match the colours in the kit perfectly. Oops. Now, if I'd known I was going to share this like this, I would have kept the kits together so you could see which were which. I don't know, but like I said, you can go back to the Hip Kit website and have a look. So these are some exclusive products that have been designed by Kimberly, who's the owner of Hip Kit, and Kim Watson, who is on the design team, and she designs Pretty Little Studio collections, and she's amazing. So this is called Homemade Memories, and these pieces of ephemera will go so well with the Let's Stay Home collection. So I love getting exclusive products from Hip Kit. These are some fabric bows. Pink Fresh has done bows before, but I've never seen any like this with sort of extra added detail. We've got an exclusive stamp designed by Hip Kit, and I think this one would have come in the Pocket Life kit. Some enamel dots from the Let's Stay Home collection. Another exclusive stamp set. Yeah, this one would have come with the main kit. The puffy stickers from the Let's Stay Home collection. some exclusive vellum ephemera pieces. I'm not going to take them out, but you'll get to see them at the end of my layout share. Another pack of exclusive ephemera pieces. The actual ephemera pack from Let's Stay Home. So if you get the Pocket Life kit, there's a lot of ephemera. So that's, I mean, obviously I've got so much, I'm not going to be able to kill this kit, but I got it because I got all the kits because I wanted this whole collection, and I'll put it into my stash and definitely use it. So those are some journaling tags, some chipboard flair from Pink Fresh, always love those. And then we've got the, what is this? Cardstock stickers, it says right there. So, oops, absolutely beautiful. And then the mini alphas from the collection and the puffy alphas from the collection. And then if you get the Pocket Life kit, there are exclusive cards. Bear with me as I try and open this. So I've had a couple of recent Pocket Life kits from HipKit, and you get like the standard 3x4, here we go, 3x4, some sort of traveller's notebook. I might as well show you these while I'm here. Kit cards, and are single-sided, 4x6. So I'll try and get through these quickly. And you don't just have to use these for pocket pages, you can use them as layering pieces, journaling cards, and then these also would go nicely in the traveller's notebook. So these are designed exclusively and they always match the kit, and I'll just go through the 3x4 really quickly. Really beautiful. Also, I will be working with the exclusive cut files from the kit. I think there's a lot, I think they designed a lot for this month, or for June. So another reason I need to get onto this kit is because I have got the July kit, which arrived last week. So yeah, I'm not going to kill all of this. I mean, it's a huge amount of product. It's like basically getting an entire collection and more. But it gives me a lot of options. I still have a lot of memories to document from our lockdown, and I guess straight after that when things got back to a new normal. But yeah, thanks for watching, and I will be back at the end of the month with a killer kit and layout share.